Hey everyone, this is Jarrett with Team of Visuals at BG, and today I'm doing a quick unboxing and a quick look at the Knockaround Premium Sports Sunglasses. So I was in the market for new sunglasses to take hiking, backpacking, doing adventures with me because mine were just scratched out, and sunscreen bug spray had kind of eaten the film off of it. So looking at these, first thing, you get a fancy little bag to hold them in. It's also good for cleaning the glasses. So if you want to have something better than a cotton shirt, I recommend holding on to that. Here are the sunglasses themselves. So they come in a lot of different color combinations, some of them brighter and wilder than others. It's just a plastic frame. Um, they're very affordable for what you get. So the lenses are impact resistant. They're UV 400 protection as well as polarized. So they cut down on the glare. They're going to keep you safe. And that impact resistance, I've run into many branches already with these. So overall, for the price, they perform fantastic, much better than some of my more expensive glasses. They are stylish, or you can get a style of plain. Another feature about the premiums is they actually come with the rubber nose. I've got this and the step below, so that does add a little bit of comfort, especially if you're wearing them a long time. And so far, sunscreen, bug spray, sweat has not messed them up. So they've stayed scratch resistant, protecting my eyes. That polarization has helped me, with driving as well as, seeing into water when I'm out hiking. So if you're looking for a new set and you need an affordable pair that's going to give you great protection and do a great job on your adventures, highly recommend these. So thanks for watching and make sure you join me on my next adventure.